In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Bitdefender from blocking websites, a handy guide from our Antivirus Tales series. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone just getting started with digital security, knowing how to manage your antivirus settings is crucial in ensuring a smooth and trouble-free online experience. Sometimes, Bitdefender can be a tad overzealous, flagging websites that you know are safe. So, let's dive into the process of creating exceptions in Bitdefender. First off, make sure you have the Bitdefender app open on your device. If it's your first time using the app, don't worry. Bitdefender's interface is quite user-friendly, making all these adjustments straightforward. Once you've launched the Bitdefender app, you'll want to locate the Protection tab. This is your gateway to monitoring and configuring how Bitdefender shields your system from various online threats. Click on this tab, and you'll find a wealth of options at your fingertips to control your online protection settings. Next, navigate to Online Threat Prevention. This feature is a sophisticated module that recognizes threats in real time. It's vital to consult this section when Bitdefender blocks a website you trust. By configuring the settings here, you can tailor the app's behavior to better suit your internet habits without sacrificing security. Now, it's time to delve into the Settings menu within the Online Threat Prevention section. This is where you can make specific changes according to your preferences. Finding the right settings might take a bit of exploration, but once you're familiar with this area, handling Bitdefender becomes second nature. From the Settings menu, look for an option called Manage Exceptions. This is your main tool for instructing Bitdefender to bypass the block on certain websites or domains. Click on it to start managing exceptions efficiently. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently visit certain sites that Bitdefender mistakenly flags as harmful, saving you the hassle of repeatedly bypassing the antivirus. Finally, click on Add an Exception. This is where you input the specific URLs you want Bitdefender to ignore. It's important to ensure the websites you're adding are safe and verified, as bypassing security features can expose your system to potential risks. Once you've added the necessary exceptions, double-check your entries for accuracy and security before closing the menu. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Bitdefender to stop blocking websites you trust. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted if your online habits change. Always prioritize safety while enjoying a seamless browsing experience. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to drop any questions or feedback in the comments below.